Lang po kayo na Eminem.
Opo nga po, nabanggit nga po actually nila ng friend ko nila na i-refer daw po nila ako sa Itbulaga. Sabi ko, sige let's see, sabi ko if tatawagan ako ng Itbulaga, why not, sabi ko.
Ayun, so leave yun nga.
Opo.
Bali, kunin kita this coming Thursday.
This Thursday na po?
Opo.
Asalang na po this Thursday.
Opo, talang na. Pero kunin ko yung mo, messenger, chat tayo. Do you have a video?
Yes po, I can send you videos po. Para din po may po, para may idea po kayo kasi baka mamaya overrated lang ako. Baka mamaya na masyado lang ako na-promote ng friends ko.
Sinirefer ka naman po talaga. Sabi nga daw po, sobrang husay nyo na Eminem. So, I'll try po na pakinggan and then sendan ko kayo ng final reminders after ko mapanood yung video.
Alright po. Random naman yung nakakalaban dyan, or may idea na po kayo sinong makakalaban ko, ganun?
Random po ang makakalaban nyo. Pero as much as possible, siguro gawan ko ng medyo match kung makakahanap ako.
Opo.
Na ima-match talaga. Kasi, syempre, may tawag dito, rap, diba?
Opo. Thank you so much po. Sobrang nagulat po ako sa opportunity na to, as in, kasi talagang condition ko lang pag tinawagan ako ng Itbulaga, doon lang ako pwede sumalang. So, baka meant to be siya.
Kahit hindi kayo palarin at as long as ginawa niyo yung best niyo, pwede ko kayo i-wildcard agad-agad. So far po, meron din akong audition today. And then, so far, meron na po akong 84 winners.
Wow, ang dami na.
Opo. So, sasalain pa po yun sa semifinals para yung pinakapaboses po yung matitira pagdating ng grand final.
Alright po. Sige po.
Opo.
Tatry ko lang po. I'll do it for the memories din kasi, for my kids din.
Oo. Enjoy nyo lang po.
Yes po. Sige po.
Yes, thank you.
Alright po. Thank you, Sir Oreo. Thank you po. Message ko po kayo. Sige po. God bless po. Thank you so much. Itbulaga. Eto na, let's go. Alright, so nandito na kami sa TV5 and ngayon kasing araw na to I'll be singing sa The Clones ng Itbulaga, and ang gagayahin nating boses is the one and the only Eminem, Slim Shady. Pero for today, we are Reeve Shady. We're here.
Kinakabahan ka din, te. With bit. Yes. He's born for that.
Okay, so protestant lang tayo, pero lumalabas yung pagiging art.
Say hi to the vlog. Di ba ito yung may te? Dapat pala sa kabila. Hello po.
May guide ko sa Barcans. I'm a big fan of
Amber, what's that? Oh my
Alright, so time check. It's 9:40 ng umaga and nandito na kami sa studio. Studio 4 ng TV5 dito sa Itbulaga and namin, rehearsal namin ngayong umaga. And katabi ko si Direk Oreo. Siya po ang responsible kung bakit napunta ako dito. So I'm really thankful for the opportunity, Direk. I-enjoy ko lang po tayo at talagang thank you for the opportunity.
Enjoy lang.
Na-miss ko ang Itbulaga kasi dati po, nag-Mr. Pogi 2002 ako doon. 15 at that time.
Bagets na bagets.
Opo, actually, because of Itbulaga, doon nag-start yung career ko as a singer talaga.
Okay.
Kasi I have my own band. Opo.
Si ano daw, oray mo ba pa?
Ayan. So, and this is yung banda. Ito yung Pedro Band. Si Sir Pedro. Ayan. Ayan po.
Sige po.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you.
Alright po. Alright.
Let's go po.
Okay na.
Kahit sino po.
Alright. Ayan. Ito si Adrian, ang Glock 9 na tropa natin, na makakatapat natin. Pero i-enjoy lang natin to.
Mukhang magaling yung kalaban, mukhang negative agad ako. Pero
Hindi.
laban lang.
Sana mag-title.
Sana ka.
Alright. So, yun lang, document lang natin itong experience at yung journey. Kasi gusto ko pakita sa inyo kung paano nangyayari sa mga ganitong contest.
Wala pa na. Sige.
Okay, next song.
Okay, around to tayo ng rehearsal.
Yo, where's my stand? I'm gonna stand my headphones. Here you go. Yeah. Yo. Have you ever been hated or discriminated against? I have. I've been protesting and demonstrated against. Look at signs from my wicked rhyme. Look at the time. Think it's the mind of the it's the behind. All this commotion, emotions, my deepest emotions exploding. All this parent from parents. Slow them up and keep going. Not taking nothing from no one. Breathing how long as I'm breathing. He thinking that's in the morning. And taking names in the need. Leave them when the days of sorrow was written. Growing they mouth. Then they can trigger me. But they'll never figure me out. Look at me now. I bet you probably sick of me now. Ain't you mama? I'ma make you look so ridiculous now. I'm sorry, mama. I never meant to hurt you. I never meant to make you cry. But tonight, I'm cleaning out my closet. One more time, look at me. I said I'm sorry, mama. That's what I'm talking about. I never meant to hurt you. I never meant to make you cry. But tonight, I'm cleaning out my closet. Then last, mag-Francis M. What song? Kaya? Mga kababayan. Ano lang din naman to, sample, verse to chorus lang. Okay ka. Thank you po, Direk. Thank you mga sir. Thank you po, Sir Pedro. Okay, next. Tara po.
Alright, let's go.
Hello, subject.
Yan na. Nice. Thank you po. Thank you. Okay. Alright. Okay. Pampagising ng boses. Alright, so ito si Adrian, ang Glock 9. niya eh. Yun nga, Glock 9, pero I don't know the title. Ayos, nice. Pwedeng ano to, pwedeng kasama sa shady. Pwedeng shady to, shady. Ayos, ayos. Alright, so ito may makeup na tayo ni Ate, ano ni Noemi? Ate Noemi. Makeup artist siya dito sa Itbulaga, and siya ang magiging susi para magmukha tayong pogi mamaya sa TV. Lalo na ngayon, wrong timing kasi kung kailan ako makikita ulit sa TV, ngayon pa ako may pimple sa gitna ng ilong ko. So tatakpan ni Ate Noemi yan. So ayan si Tol Adrian. Tol Adrian. Ayan, busy. Ayan, siya yung makakalaban natin, pero hindi namin tinatreat yung each other na kalaban kasi he's really good as well. And alam niyo naman, saludo tayo sa mga kapwa musicians, singers natin. Gusto natin i-push yung mga totoong talents. So, good luck para sa amin dalawa. Alright, so ito, waiting game kami. Time check, it's 1:30 sa relo ko. And yun, napag-alaman na first contestant si Adrian, tapos ako yung pangalawa. So ano,
good luck.
parang mas nakaka-pressure yung pangalawa yata. Kasi parang nakaka-pressure. Yes. Sama kita sa video tol ha. Ayan, ito si Adrian. Siya ang Glock 9 ng Pinas. Hindi Hindi, I mean, wala kasing joke to eh. Alam niya to. Na marami akong kilalang kaya mag-Glock 9, pero si Adrian, sobrang lupit. So itong laban na to, hindi siya talaga laban eh. It's a celebration of music.
Friendly battle lang. And yes. United na international at local artists.
Yes. Kumbaga parang parang number 1 sa US na artist, number 1 na rapper din sa Pilipinas. So sobrang masaya to. And ayan, si Mami busy pa rin sa pagtatrabaho hanggang nasa Itbulaga nagtatrabaho pa rin. Si Pong din busy sa nagtatrabaho rin, and kakachika, daming kinokontak, and busy lahat ng tao dito. So yan, nakaka-excite kasi balik TV. Pero kapal na makeup ko. Pero gusto ko yung nakaspray na tubo. So, good. So, hopefully, makisama yung boses natin kasi wala akong boses talaga. And may plema. Sipon and plema. Wala rin kain. Kasi hindi ako pwede kumain. Babakat yung beer belly natin. So, let's see. Let's see what happens. Kung pala rin, kung manalo, matalo, it doesn't matter. Ang importante is for the memories.
Sige, walk lang, walk. Where are you right now? TV5. O, sige na. You gonna watch your dad? Sige na. Say good luck, Daddy. Bebe, say good luck, Daddy.
Alright, so guys, ngayon kasama ko si Sir Pedro, ang musical director ng kanyang banda dito sa Itbulaga, napakagaling na banda and lumang musikero, lumang banda. Pero may magandang ibig sabihin nun kasi talagang very professional, very mismo yung tugtugan, sobrang plakado. So, Sir, thank you for sa help ninyo. Alam mo, ang sarap ng jammingan. Actually, feel na yung jammingan kanina. So, ayun. So, mag-enjoy lang kami at sila Sir Pedro bahala sa good luck! Moment of truth. Mauuna si Tolator yan. I-enjoy natin to, yung performance na to para sa lahat ng nanonood sa studio, sa lahat ng makakanood na to. It's for you, it's a celebration of music. So, meron tayong Glock 9, meron tayong Eminem. Manalo, matalo, importante, meron tayong memories.
Mabuhay ang industriya ng rap.
Mismo. Alright.
Sabihin mo na rin kung anong pinibenta mo.
Hello, magandang umaga po mga Dapper Cats. Palang-paka naman dyan! Ako si Mark Adrian Sanchez from Balibod, Bulacan. Naniniwala sa kasabihan, I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me.
Philippines Sporter Team yun ah. Akaling mo dun, akaling. Ano sa pala yun?
tanghali po mga Dapper Friends. Pwede ba isang malakas na palakpakan na may kasama sa inyo? Ang pangalan ko po ay si Eve Eric H. Casimiro. At ako po ay may kasabihan na ang buhay po ay mas magiging masaya kapag legit Dapper Friends ka.
Arby! Sino ka-voice niya?
J-Ball.
No?
J-Ball.
Sige, sige, ikaw, Karen.
Bamboo po.
Bamboo. Pwede, Meng.
Pitbull.
Pwede.
Hindi, sino Pitbull?
Alam ko. Baka isa susunod.
Joke! Nasa loob ko siya kanina eh. Alam ko, sino kaya nito? Mahirap po lahat ko eh. Wala kang lalaki eh.
Oo eh.
Gulatin mo na lang kami siguro.
Mga rapper din. Baka ano, masaya siguro pa rapper din. Sige nga. Reeve, Eric, surprises. Alright, good.
Daddy? Sino yan? Sino yan? Daddy!
One moment, would you capture it? Just let us dip. Yeah. His palms is sweaty, please be arms and hands. Arms the baby's nervous, but the surface is warm and ready to drop bombs. But it keeps on forgetting what he wrote down. The whole crowd goes so loud. New York business now, but the world's broken now. He's talking now, everybody's talking now. The box for now, thumbs up, over, fuck. Stand back to reality, oh, the ghost gravity, oh, the ghost gravity, oh, he's so gravity, oh, he love fantasy, no, he won't have it, he knows, he's so fast in his throat, he don't panic, he's slow, he knows back in his throat, he's so fast, he knows that he goes back to his wall, oh, back to life, yo, he's so back, you get it back to smoking and hope, you know, you better lose yourself in the music, the moment you want, you never let it go, only get one shot, you know, need a chance to love, it's opportunity, come once in a lifetime, you better lose yourself in the music, the moment you want, you never let it go, only get one shot, you know, need a chance to love, it's opportunity, come once in a lifetime, the soul is kicking, who is holes and is keeping, it's more than time for the taking, let's see who's forward, new world order, I know my life is warring, a superstar, goes to both stars, it only goes higher, he knows it's all on, these hoes is all on it, goes and goes shows, he stones the little charter, don't go down, now this is on fire, from home he's on fire, he goes on and then he knows he's on daughter, but all you know is cause he goes and goes water, he's always don't want it no more, he's gone far, ain't on the door, next door, he knows, go, it's so down, so it's all power, it's all, but I'm on the floor, he's all brother, but the beat goes so down, you better lose yourself in the music, the moment you want, you gotta never let it go, only get one shot, it's a chance to blow, it's opportunity, come once in a lifetime, you better lose yourself in the music, the moment you want, you better never let it go, only get one shot, it's a chance to blow, it's opportunity, come once in a lifetime, you better. You get to the thing, you set your minds to man. Everybody put your hands up in the air. Come on, hey, 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 hey. Thanks so much for
Ano ang pala?
Kasi bossing property.
Oo, tama siya. Alam mo ba, kaya ni Arbon yun?
Lordy!
Oo, kaya mo yan? Sige nga. Ayan. Ay, natayo pa siya.
Go girl, go back to the lab again, yo. Where's my pen? Yeah.
Rustan. Rustan rapper. Okay. Anong song ang gusto niyong i-request kay Emily?
Cleaning out my closet.
Oh.
Cleaning out my closet. Maganda yan, Ma'am Ana.
Oo. Theme from the movie The Janitor. Kaya yan!
Yes po.
Kaya daw! Ito na si Reeve Eric Casemiro.
This one's name.
Gusto niya, isulat daw niya sa kanyang red diary. Salamat po.
Thank you! Halika na! Thank you din, Arvita. Doon ka muna. Sana may dalawang rakya doon. 10,000 at may 5,000 iwan na lang.
At sa grand final, sir.
Contestants number 1 and 2.
Salamat din sa mga number cards na
papasok eh.
Sabi, ako din kanina pa.
Maraming salamat po sa pag-vlog na sa atin today. Kung saan po kayo pumasok kanina, natin po kayo exit. Pwede po kayo mag-picture dito sa stage. Ingat po kayo pag-uwi. Salamat po.
Eh, nagpa-picture sila kay Pum.
Congrats po, congrats.
Direct! Bok artista yarn. Oh! Hindi na kasi
I-check.
Lahat na. Kala ko naman tama na si Reddy. Sinundan ko pa rin natin yung pamilya pala, PA. Nakapost. Pero tingnan mo yung asawa ko. Picture eh.
I feel nauseous, believe me. Never had a lot of shit come easy. Had to work hard, struggle just to be me. Had to rise up just so they could see me. Did what I had to do just to feed me. And what was left over I put towards my dreaming. But the only thing in life that has meaning are the things you gotta work for, believe me. Take into your hands a plan, your own hands can land your own brand. And damn, I feel like no one takes accountability. They want the credibility, convincingly unwilling to put in the fucking hours it takes to get some power. Don't be fucking sour, take a cold shower. Scream until you're louder, work until you're prouder. And fuck all the doubters, they're just fucking downers. I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm pissed off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown. I'm just telling you to fight for your dreams, but it's not what it seems. Man, it's hard to be seen when everybody wants to be king. Yeah, they all wanna ring, yeah, we all wanna be free. So show me what you got, what you bring, how you fight in the ring, how you take a fucking swing. Do you got heart, are you mean? Got some scars, got some needs, are you willing to go bleed? I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm pissed off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown. I swear to God they all let me